Hello guys, welcome back to the Python crash course. In this video, we are going to explore relational operators, also known as comparison operators. So these operators allows us to compare two values and determine relationships like greater than, less than, or equality. Relational operators are a crucial part of decision making in Python. So understanding them is essential. So let's dive in. Relationship operators all the time return us either two values. The answer would be either true or false. Let's see some of the relation operators. So which is equals, not equals, greater than or equals, less than or equals. So let's observe with some examples. So 5 double equal to 5, the answer would be true. 8 double equal to 7. So these both are not equal, so the answer is false. So 8 not equal to 7, the answer is true. 5 not equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5, so the answer is false. So 20 greater than 7 true. So minus 10 greater than or equal to minus 11 true. Similarly, 20 smaller than 7 is false. Similarly, minus 10 less than or equal to minus 11 is false. So let's quickly try to observe these outputs in Python shell. So let's quickly check 5 double equals to 5. So 8 not equals to 5. 8 double equals to 7. 20 greater than 7. Minus 10 greater than or equals to minus 11. Similarly, let's do the opposite. 20 less than 7. Minus 10 less than or equals to minus 11. So these are the outputs for relational operators. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.